In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add and edit pages and links in Godaddy website. First, log into your Godaddy account and open your website builder. This is where you will manage the structure of your site, including the pages visitors can open from your navigation menu. Once you are inside the editor, look for the panel where your site pages are listed. To add a new page, click the Add button or the plus icon at the top of that panel, then select Page. Godaddy will show you page template options. Choose the template that best fits the kind of page you want to create. For example, you might pick a layout designed for general information, contact details, or another common website section. Selecting the right template helps you start with a layout that already matches your goal. After that, review the available switches and toggle them based on your preferences. These settings control how the page behaves or appears in your website structure, so take a moment to set them the way you want before moving on. If you want to add a link to your navigation instead of creating a full page, go back to the Pages panel and click Add or the plus icon again. This time select Link instead of Page. This option is useful when you want a menu item to send visitors to another website or a specific destination URL rather than to a page built inside Godaddy. Next, enter the link title. This is the text people will see in your website menu, so make sure it is short, clear, and easy to understand. Then paste the destination URL into the website URL field. Be careful to paste the correct web address so the link sends visitors to the right place. You will also see an option to open the link in a new tab. Check that box if you want visitors to keep your website open while the linked page opens separately. This is often a good choice for external websites because it helps users return to your site more easily. When everything looks correct, click Create Link. Your new link will then be added to the site menu along with your other pages. At that point, you can review the menu and make sure the title and destination are exactly as you intended. That covers everything you need to know.